Welcome to AI Tech Pulse, where tech meets tomorrow. Did you know that by 2025, AI is expected to influence nearly 90% of our daily digital interactions? But here's the real question. How well does AI truly understand us? Can it predict what we need before we even realize it? Today, we're diving into OpenAI's latest breakthrough, GPT 4.5. An AI that's not just smarter, but one that learns to understand you on a whole new level. For years, AI models have been impressive, but they often misinterpret context, struggle with emotions, and fail to truly adapt to users. Many fear AI is too robotic, lacking the human-like intuition we need for deeper, more meaningful interactions. But GPT 4.5 takes a huge leap forward, bridging the gap between artificial intelligence and true user personalization. GPT 4.5 is more accurate, faster, and context-aware than any AI model before it. Unlike its predecessors, it remembers long conversations, improving continuity and making interactions feel seamless. Imagine an AI that adjusts its responses based on your preferences. GPT 4.5 doesn't just generate text, it learns from you, creating a more tailored and engaging experience. From content creation to business automation to real-time research, GPT 4.5 is making AI more intuitive, interactive, and indispensable. But don't just take our word for it. Real-world results speak for themselves. In a recent case study, a business using GPT 4.5 saw a 30% increase in customer satisfaction simply by integrating its advanced AI-driven chatbot. Developers are calling it the most intuitive coding assistant yet, while marketers say it's the key to hyper-personalized content at scale. If you're a ChatGPT Pro subscriber, you already have access to GPT 4.5. Just log in and start experiencing the next level of AI interaction. For developers, OpenAI offers API access, making it easy to integrate GPT 4.5 into applications, customer service platforms, or business tools. GPT 4.5 isn't just another AI upgrade. It's the next step toward AI that truly understands us. With improved accuracy, personalization, and real-world applications, this is AI that works with you, for you. Now we want to hear from you. Do you think AI is getting too smart, or is this the kind of evolution we need? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the world of AI. Thanks for watching AI Tech Pulse. We'll see you in the future.